Here are few tips that are meant for short bouts of hiccups. If you have chronic hiccups lasting more than 48 hours, talk with your doctor. This may be a sign of an underlying condition requiring treatment. Breathing and posture techniques. Sometimes a change in your breathing or posture can relax your diaphragm. Practice measured breathing. Disrupt your respiratory system with a slow, measured breathing. Breathe in for a count of 5 and out for a count of 5. Hold your breath. Inhale a large gulp of air and hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds. Then breathe out slowly. Repeat as necessary. Breathe into a paper bag. Place a paper lunch bag over your mouth and nose. Slowly breathe in and out, deflating and inflating the bag. Never use a plastic bag. Hug your knees. Sit down in a comfortable place. Bring your knees to your chest and lean forward. This also compresses the chest by putting pressure on the diaphragm. Pressure points. Pressure points are areas of your body that are particularly sensitive to pressure. Applying pressure to these points with your hands may help to relax your diaphragm or stimulate your vagus or phrenic nerves. Pull on your tongue. Pulling on your tongue stimulates the nerves and muscles in your throat. Grab the tip of your tongue and gently pull it forward once or twice. Squeeze your nose. Massage your carotid arteries gently on both sides of your neck for 5 to 10 seconds simultaneously. Things to eat or drink. Drink ice water. Slowly sipping cold water may help stimulate the vagus nerve. Suck on an ice cube. Suck on the ice cube for a few minutes, then swallow it once it shrinks to a reasonable size. Drink water from the wrong side of a glass. Eat some sugar. Put a pinch of granulated sugar on your tongue and let it sit for 5 to 10 seconds, then swallow. Suck on a lemon. Some people add a bit of salt to the lemon slice. Rinse your mouth with water to protect your teeth from citric acid. Put a drop of vinegar on your tongue. Hopefully these tips will help you to stop hiccups. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.